Remote sensing and AI integration in wildfire management. Wildfire management is a crucial aspect of ensuring the safety of both human lives and our natural environment. Over the years, advancements in technology have played a significant role in improving our ability to prevent, monitor, and respond to wildfires. Two such technologies that have emerged as powerful tools in wildfire management are remote sensing and artificial intelligence, AI. In this tutorial, we will explore the synergy of remote sensing, AI, and traditional wildfire management approaches. Wildfires pose a significant threat to ecosystems, communities, and economies worldwide. Traditional wildfire management approaches include methods such as controlled burns, fire breaks, and fire suppression. However, these methods have limitations, and their effectiveness can be enhanced by integrating remote sensing and AI technologies. Remote sensing involves the use of sensors and instruments to gather data about the Earth's surface without physically being in contact with it. Satellites, aircraft, and ground-based sensors are used to collect information about different aspects of wildfires, including their spread, intensity, and behavior. AI technologies, such as machine learning and computer vision algorithms, can be trained to analyze the vast amount of data collected through remote sensing. By combining remote sensing with AI, we can develop predictive models, detect early signs of wildfires, assess risks, and optimize resource allocation for firefighting efforts. Advantages of remote sensing and AI integration. Early detection and prediction. Remote sensing data, such as infrared imagery, can be analyzed using AI algorithms to identify smoke plumes or fire hotspots, allowing for early detection and prediction of wildfire events. This enables timely response and reduces the potential damage caused by wildfires. Mapping and assessment. Remote sensing techniques combined with AI can provide accurate mapping and assessment of burned areas. This information is valuable for post-fire analysis, resource allocation, and ecological restoration planning. Real-time monitoring. Remote sensing satellites can provide real-time monitoring of wildfires, helping authorities make informed decisions regarding evacuation orders, resource deployment, and emergency response. Data-driven decision-making. By integrating remote sensing and AI, decision-making processes in wildfire management can be based on data-driven insights, improving the efficiency and effectiveness of response strategies. Case studies. California wildfire management. Remote sensing and AI technologies have been extensively used in California's wildfire management efforts. From early detection to post-fire assessment, these technologies have played a pivotal role in reducing the impact of wildfires on communities and ecosystems. Australia bushfire monitoring. The integration of remote sensing and AI has been instrumental in monitoring and predicting the behavior of bushfires in Australia. This has allowed for proactive measures to be taken to protect vulnerable regions and enhance firefighting capabilities. Possible challenges and future directions. Data quality and availability. Ensuring the accuracy and availability of remote sensing data is crucial for effective wildfire management. Overcoming challenges related to data quality and access will be essential for maximizing the potential of this technology. Integration with ground-based approaches. While remote sensing and AI technologies offer tremendous value, integrating them with traditional ground-based approaches is vital to achieve holistic wildfire management. Collaboration between researchers, responders, and policymakers is necessary to ensure seamless integration. Continual technological advancements. As technology continues to evolve, there is a need for ongoing research and development to improve remote sensing capabilities and enhance AI algorithms. This will enable more accurate wildfire monitoring, prediction, and management in the future. The synergy of remote sensing, AI, and traditional wildfire management approaches has the potential to revolutionize the way we prevent, monitor, and respond to wildfires. By harnessing the power of these technologies and integrating them seamlessly, we can enhance early detection, prediction, mapping, and assessment of wildfires. With ongoing research and collaboration, remote sensing and AI will continue to play a vital role in mitigating the devastating impact of wildfires on our communities and ecosystems.